Hi. Yesterday we started with our one pager from chapter 5 Eagle Song, and this is how far we got. On each of the four borders, we had our title, author, genre, we had the setting of the story, we had um, the characters that have made an impact so far. Um, and we also drew a little symbol there to remind us what happened in this chapter. Chapter 5 characters, and just a little reminder, hint for us to remember the main point of this chapter and what had happened. Okay, our characters actually are up here too. And I'm sorry, I said characters were here, but this was actually the main point or the big idea in the chapter. Okay, so today, what you're going to do is you're going to do a fast. And I'm not even sure if you've ever done that before, but I trust that you can do it with this one pager. We're going to take our inside of the frame here, right? We've got our borders and now we have the interior. We're going to take that interior and we're going to split it into four sections, and you're going to just do that roughly with your straight edge, kind of like you did last time yesterday when we were together. You used your straight edge, whether it was your dry erase board or if you did have a ruler sitting right there, some of you used that. We're just going to make four sections within our center, and we're going to label that fast. Okay? And basically, you're going to have to focus on Danny in this chapter. And you are going to have to tell me or illustrate or give me a sentence, however you can, what Danny is feeling, how he is acting, and maybe there's a couple different ways in the chapter, right? What he is saying, some words that you remember that stand out to you when you remember reading the chapter, and what this character, Danny, is thinking. And again, it might shift in the story, right? So he might be feeling one way in a part of the chapter and acting one way, and then he might be saying some things and thinking some things. But it might be different at the beginning of the chapter than it is at the end of the chapter. So you have to find which part you're going to focus on here, and you're going to have to focus on Danny. He is the subject basically of the chapter number 5 here, okay? The longest day. And remember, we said that Danny and Mom were sad because Mr. Bigtree left. At school, Danny got hurt. So that was the big happening in this chapter. This is what I want you to work on. And you can fill these in with writing, with any other symbols you might like to put down so that you can remember what he was feeling, what Danny was actions were, what he was saying, okay, and what he was thinking. All right, and you got to find some proof in the story for that. So that's where this guy comes in, chapter 5, your book, okay? You're going to use this Eagle Song book, and you're going to find those pieces of literature right in the chapter. Tell me the words right from the chapter that tells you he was feeling a certain way. Tell me the words right from the chapter that shows you he was acting a certain way, saying certain things, and thinking a certain way. Okay? Your proof is right in the pudding, right in chapter 5. All right? Good luck with this today. I don't meet with you today, Yellow Group, but I'm hoping you can do this on your own and bring it to our next meeting. Okay? Good luck. And if you have questions, I'll be on at 2:30. Okay? You can come and see me then.